The floodplain was once a peaceful meadow, but now it was a raging river, threatening to engulf the entire village. The townspeople scrambled to build makeshift barriers, but the water continued to rise. Just when all hope seemed lost, a group of beavers appeared, armed with their engineering skills and determination. They worked tirelessly, diverting the floodwaters away from the village and saving the day. The grateful villagers cheered and celebrated with a feast in honor of their furry heroes. From that day on, the beavers were hailed as the saviors of the floodplain, forever remembered for their bravery and ingenuity.